My name is Abimbola Iyanoye. I currently work with Pediatrics, Toms River office, and also the Hamilton office. I attended medical school at the University of Ibadan in Nigeria, and I completed my residency at the Mount Sinai Hospital in Chicago.
Throughout her 24 years practicing medicine, Dr. Iyanoye has spent 17 years specializing in pediatrics, building meaningful relationships with children and their families.
My interest in pediatrics is really more with general well care and acute care of kids, dermatology and asthma also. I'm a provider that supports vaccination because I've practiced internationally and I've seen these diseases sometimes the way it affects our children. And I encourage parents to vaccinate their children as much as possible. And it's good for parents to be concerned. And we do actively work with parents, calling them, discussing their concerns, following up on things like if I see a patient today and the parents have issues, I try as much as possible to reassure them. And if it's something very serious, sometimes the next day, I or one of the staff in the office will call them to find out how the child is doing. I think that goes a long way to know that, the providers care. But overall, it's just really getting them checked, making sure their vaccines are up to date, and, discussing anything that they have in terms of diet, their sleep, making sure the kids are doing good at school, if they are like school-age kids, or if they're infants, they're growing well and getting good nutrition.
As her patients and parents often share in their reviews, Dr. Iyanoye's approach to care leaves a lasting impression. So, what drives her passion for caring for children?
When you treat a sick kid and you see the smile on the faces, or you're seeing the kids grow from, baby, infant to, adolescents, I think that's the most rewarding part of being a pediatrician.